Hello dear children, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to cover one of your grammar lesson and the lesson is article. Article is probably one of the oldest lesson that you have been studying since you were in grade 2. So, student, I want to ask you, what are articles? And within a fraction of second you would have thought that ma'am, articles are a and the. Now I wonder you have to listen to my question again. I said what are articles? I did not ask you which are articles. I asked what are articles. Okay, let me tell you what are articles. Articles are the type of determiners. Now before reading articles, before moving to articles, we should know what are determiners. So before going to articles, let us have a look on determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words that are used before a noun. Determiners are the words which are used before a noun. They are used to introduce a noun in a sentence. They are used to introduce a noun in a sentence. They are used to tell whether a noun is general or specific. They are used to tell whether a noun is general or specific. So these are determiners. Determiners क्या होते हैं? They are the words which are used to introduce a noun in a sentence, and they are always used in the sentence before a noun. Now determiners, as I told you, they are of 4 types. First one are articles, then are possessives, then demonstratives, then are quantifiers. So in articles, a and the, these are articles. And what are possessive? The words like my, your, his, hers, these are possessives. Demonstrative words. What are demonstrative words? If you remember, we have done this demonstrative words twice in pronoun and adjective lesson. Demonstrative words are this, that, these, those. And what are quantifiers? The word like some, few, many. These words are quantifiers. Okay. So today in detail what we are going to study? We are going to study a type of determiner that are articles. Study what are articles. Let us come to the first definition of the article. What are article? Article refers to the which noun the speaker is referring to. Article refers to the which noun the speaker is referring to. That means the speaker is referring to which version of noun. The speaker is referring to, if the speaker is referring to any common noun or any proper noun. Okay. And the articles are of 2 types, that are indefinite article and definite article. Under indefinite article we are having 2 articles, a and an. And definite articles we are having 1 article, that is the. Now you will wonder what are definite and what are indefinite. So what the word says itself, indefinite, which is not definite or which is not particular. A and an used with the nouns which are not particular. That means which are common. And the is definite article. Definite means which is particular, which is proper. So the article the is used when the noun is proper. Once again we come to the definition. Article refers to which noun the speaker is referring to. I told you there were 2 types of noun. Which one? Common and proper. So indefinite articles are used when the noun is common, and definite articles are used when the noun is proper. And indefinite article is used with the countable singular noun. It is used with the countable singular noun. For example, a pen. Pen is a countable here and it is singular, so we are using a. And if we go to the definition, a pen is common noun, a pen is also common noun, so we are using a here. And the Ganga. The Ganga. Ganga is a particular noun here. Ganga is a particular noun. So we are using the with particular noun. We are using the definite article with the particular noun. And this definite article the is used with countable and uncountable, singular and plural. Whereas the indefinite pronouns a and an are used with countable singular noun, and definite article the is used with countable, uncountable, singular and plural noun. Understood? We are having two aspects of seeing these articles, a and an and the. A and an falls under the category of indefinite pronoun. Indefinite, as it is suggesting by the name indefinite, that means not particular. Not particular means common. So if the noun is common, we are going to use indefinite article, that is a or an. And definite article, definite, that means which is particular. Particular, that means proper noun. And if the noun is proper, we are definitely going to use the article the. Understood? Now we are going to understand the difference between a and an. The meaning of a and an is one. A also mean one and an also mean one. So how do we use a and an differently? What is the difference between a and an? So the whole difference between a and an, the usage of a and an is the sound of vowel and consonant. The whole difference lies upon the sound of vowel and consonant. Vowels, we are having 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So if a word starts with the sound of a vowel, it will carry an. For example, honor. For example, honor. It is starting with what? H. H is our vowel? No, it is not a vowel. It is a consonant. Then, but the sound of this word is coming like honor. O. The sound is coming O. And sound O is the sound of vowel. It is the sound of vowel O. So it will take an as article. An honor. An honor. Let us take one more example. University. University. University is starting with which letter? U. Though U falls under the category of vowel. It does fall under the category of vowel. It is a vowel, no? But what will it carry? A or an? A or an? It will carry A. Why it will carry A? Because look at the sound. University. Y. Sound किसकी आ रही है? Y. Y is sound of Y. That means it is a sound of consonant. It is having a sound of consonant. So it carries the article A. Understood? If the word is having the sound of a vowel, it will carry an article an. And if the sound of word is starting from a consonant, then it will carry A as article. Let us take one more example. For example, house. For example, house. Now it is starting with the consonant H. It is starting with consonant H and sound is coming H, ह. तो ह की sound, H की sound ह ही होती है. So it is carrying A. It is carrying A because it does not contain the sound of vowel. Vowel की sound it is not having. It is having the sound of consonant. So the usage of A and an completely depends upon the sound of vowel or consonant. If a word is having the sound of, it is starting with the sound of vowel, then it will carry an as article, and if it is starting with the sound of a consonant, it is carrying a as a article. Understood? So the whole concept of using a and an depends upon the sound of vowel or consonant. Sound of vowel or consonant. Understood? Now let us understand the usage of a and an. Now we are moving to the usage of a and an. A and an used with the entire class of animal. When we are talking about entire class of animal, either we do use a or we do use an. For example, a cow has horns. A cow has horns. Here a cow is referring to the whole class of animals. For example, an elephant is intelligent animal. An elephant is intelligent animal. Here an elephant is describing the whole class of the elephants. Got it? Next, as you know, we are using a and an with countable singular noun. We are using a and an with countable singular noun. But when these countable singular nouns are used with the words like such or what, then we will always use a as article. For example, such a nice man. Here man is a noun. Man is a noun. Man is countable noun. Man is singular noun. But when these countable singular noun is used with the word like such, we are using a article a. And here, for example, next example, dress. Dress is also a noun. It is a singular noun. It is a countable noun. We can count dress, no? But obviously it is a singular noun. But when this dress is used with the word like what, it will always carry a as article. And next, a and an is used when we are speaking about a profession. When we are speaking about a profession. For example, if someone asks me, what do you do? I say, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. So, indefinite pronoun a and an are used when we are speaking about a profession. For example, an artist, a lawyer. If I'll ask, what does your father do? Then you must be telling me, ma'am, my father is a shopkeeper, or my father is a businessman, or my father is an artist. So, before any profession, either we use a or we use an. And a and an use, as I have already told you, completely depends upon the sound of vowel and consonant. And we are using a with words like dozen, quarter, 100, 1,000 and lot. When we are having words like dozen, quarter, 100, 1,000 and lot. For example, a little sugar, a dozen eggs, a lot of people. Understood? Now we are going to learn the difference between little and few. If you have opened your book, there is a green box in your book that contains the difference between little and few. As it is written in your book, little refers to the quantity and few refers to the number. Little refers to the quantity and few refers to the number. And when we use a with little, that means some. And when we use little alone, that means hardly. Hardly means मुश्किल से कुछ ही बचा. For example, there is a little sugar in jar. There is a little sugar in jar. That means a little means some sugar is in jar. And when I say there is a little sugar, there is little sugar in jar. That means there is hardly any sugar. That means उसमें ज़्यादा sugar नहीं है. And few, as I have already told you, it refers to the number. It refers to the number. If we are using a with few, it means some. And if we are using few alone, that means hardly any. Hardly any. For example, there are a few students in the class. That means there are some students in the class. If I say there are few students in the class, few students means hardly any, one or two. Understood the difference between little and few? Let us understand our definite article. What is our definite article? The. The is our definite article. Definite article, that means particular article. Particular article is used when we are referring to a particular or proper noun. When we are referring to a particular or proper noun. And it also used with countable, uncountable and singular and plural noun. Understood? Let us understand it with the help of example. Let us read a book. And see the second example. Let us read the book we got from library. Here in first sentence, let us read a book. We don't know about which book we are talking. Do we know? Is it a definite book? No. It is not a definite book. Let us read the book which we got from library. Here the people are, two friends are saying like, let us read the book which we have got from the library. It is the particular book which we have got from the library. Let us read that book. So here this book is the particular book. And this book was a general book. It is a general book. So for the general things we are using our indefinite article because we don't know about which book we are talking. So here, but we know about which book we are talking, that we have got from the library. So it is a particular book, and with the particular things, the article that is used is the definite article, and that is the. Understood? Now let us understand the uses of the. Where do we use the? In which places the can be used? First, with the phrases like first, the last, the only, the next. The phrases like first, last, only, next, they are always used with article the. He is the first in the class. He is the last one. He is the only one who can understand me. You are the next one. So these words like next, only, first, last, they will carry the as the article. With ordinals, what are ordinals? I have told you in adjective two types, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These simple numbers are known as cardinals, and ordinals are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth till so on. So with ordinals we use the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Okay. So with ordinals we are using the. And I forgot to write, with superlative degree also we are using the. With superlative degree of adjective or adverb we are using the. Like, she is the tallest girl in the class. So tallest here is superlative degree, and before that superlative degree we have learned that we use the article the. And with musical instrument we use the. Like, he plays the piano, I play the flute. With names of rivers, oceans and sea, how many rivers are there, oceans are there, seas are there, we have to use the before their name. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile, the Amazon. These are the names of the rivers. So we are using the. And for oceans, the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the name of ocean. So we are always using the with the names of these big rivers, ocean and seas. With the names of mountain. For example, Himalayas. Himalaya is the name of mountain. It is a range of mountain. So what do we use? How do we say Himalayas? We say the Himalaya. What do we say? The Himalayas. Name of the holy books. Holy books are Holy books like Ramayana, Gita, like Bhagavad Gita, we use the before their name. The Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. These are the names of our holy books. So we always use the before their name. And the name of newspaper, the Hindus. Okay, for example, the Economic Times. These are the name. Economic Time is the name of newspaper. We always use the before the name of a newspaper. And directions. What are directions? Which are directions? North, south, east, west. These are the directions. So we use the before the name of directions. For example, the north, the south, the east, the west. And the well-known buildings. Well-known buildings are Red Fort, Taj Mahal, these kind of buildings, which are some abbreviations. Abbreviations are the short form of a big name. For example, the UN, the USA. USA is United States of America. So the short form for United States of America is USA. So we are using the with the abbreviations. And with the last is with the class. Class is like poor or rich, the class of people. For example, if we are referring to the whole class of poor people, we are referring to whole class of rich people, then we are using the poor, the rich. And there is something more interesting to learn. Why do we put the before United States of America? It is the name of a country, no? And why don't we put the before India? India is also a name of country. Why so? So United States of America is having a common noun in it. That is states. If a country is having a common name in its name, we use the. We use the. Here as such India does not have any common noun in it. So we don't use the with India. Now we are going to learn that there are various places where we don't use any article. Let us learn where the articles are not used at all. Names of languages. For example, Hindi, English, these kind of languages we don't use any article with it. For example, we speak Hindi at home. We can't say we speak a Hindi, we speak an Hindi, or we speak the Hindi at home. No, we don't use any article with any language. Plural countable nouns. Plural countable noun. For example, apples are grown here. We don't use the apples are grown here. In plural countable nouns, we don't use any article. Material noun such as gold, book, we can't use any article with it. For example, gold is expensive metal. A gold is expensive metal. The gold is expensive metal. No, it is not acceptable. We don't use any article with material noun. Abstract noun. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the names of our feelings, emotions. So, for example, honesty is the best policy. We don't use any article with any abstract noun. We can't use the honesty is a best policy. No, we can't use an or the any article with any abstract noun. Name of sport. For example, hockey, cricket, basketball, volleyball. We don't use any article with these names of sports. For example, I play a cricket. I play the cricket. No, I play cricket. I play basketball. Name of subjects. Subject as in academic subjects. Hindi, English, Math, Science, SST, Physics, Chemistry. We don't use any kind of article with these academics subjects. Name of meals. Lunch, dinner, breakfast. We don't use any article with them. And expression like all day, all night, by air, by sea. We don't use any article with these expressions. For example, I slept all day. I don't say I slept all the day. No, that is wrong. I went by air. I went by the air, by a air, by an air. Completely wrong. I went to Delhi by air. Okay. So these were the things with which the articles are not used. Okay. There is a case, if you see in your book on the last page of the this lesson, there is a green box given, and in that green box is given for several times we have to repeat an article to make the meaning more clear. We have to repeat an article to make the meaning more clear. So in your book that is given, I am having a black white cat. So if I say I am having, for example, I am having two cats. One is of black color and one is of white color. So if I write I am having a black white cat, black and white cat. So the meaning from here that we can derive is I am having a cat whose color is black and white. But I want to say that I have a cat, I have two cats. One is of black and one is of white. Then I have to repeat my this article. I have a black and a white cat. Understand? So sometimes we have to repeat our articles to make the things more clear. So students, this is all about your articles. So let us recall what we have learned today. We have learned that articles are the type of determiners. Okay, determiners are the words which are used to point out a noun, which tells us the position of a noun in the sentence, and determiners are always used before a noun. We can't use it after a noun. So under that determiners we have read what are articles. Articles tell us about the noun the speaker is referring to, whether general sense or whether particular sense. And under that we have learned how to use a and an. A and an completely depends upon the sound of vowel or consonant. Then we have learned the usage of a and an. Then we have learned the usage of the, and at last we have learned the places where no articles are used. I hope you have understood the lesson. This is all for now. Bye.